I got a shipment today from Armoire. Let's see what's inside. Lots of summery things, so stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, I've talked about Armoire before. It is a rental service, a clothing rental service, and I'm really enjoying it. It's probably my favorite. What I like best about it is that it is unlimited. So if I get something in and I don't care for it, I can send it back the next day. They'll ship something else out. I can even hang on to it. If it's something I can wear, but I'm not crazy about it, I can hang on to it until I get the replacement, and then I have 24 hours to send the other one back. So I get 6 items at a time, and I do the unlimited, which is $249. Let's see what I got this time. Although I pick them, but by the time they come, I forget what I got. And I have like 3 rental services going on right now. So anyway, what do we have? Oh, yes. Yes, this looks like a really cool summer dress. And I still, from looking at the photos, I still think I could wear a bra. Because I think that'll cover it up in the back. And then it just has that cutout, nice midsection, nice and long. Can't wait to see it on. Very summery. It's got limes on it. Then I have a pink. Oh, love these sleeves. I'm just loving this fluttery sleeve style because I'm not crazy about my upper arms, but I don't want long sleeves on in the summer. And this just kind of detracts enough. So feminine. Then we have Lilly Pulitzer. I usually have at least one Lilly in every delivery. Nice dress. I think it's a faux wrap. Yes. Faux wrap. Got this nice little tie there. Bright colors as always with Lilly. So we'll try this on. And then one more thing, even though I get 6 items, I have 2 here already. So I only got 4 replacements. Oh, there. Oh, cool. It is a jumpsuit. I can't wait to try this on. Nice, pretty blue jumpsuit. All righty, let's try these on and I'll be right back out. Hey, first up is this Lilly Pulitzer gorgeous dress. But first I want to explain my table decor. We have 2 little tiny kittens and nothing can hang anymore because they grab it and pull and everything crashes to the floor. So ignore my table decor for right now. Anyway, this dress, it is a faux wrap, and I love the look of a wrap dress. The only problem is, I don't know if you're like me, but if it's windy, you feel like you're walking like you've got to hold your dress down and all that. That's the only thing I don't like about wrap dresses. This is ideal. It's a full dress, and then you just have your wrap piece to make it look wrapped, which I love. I love the ruffle hem. How fun is that? Love it. And the sleeves, like the length of the sleeves. And it's not too hot. I also appreciate the modesty here at the top. Fun dress. I have it on with my Barbie heels. So Charlie and my son Bruce and I all went to the Barbie movie last year. I have a picture of us with our Barbie collection. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. This is a Lilly Pulitzer Cassie dress, and it's rayon and polyester. It's a Cassie ruffle hem mini dress, and I have one a size medium. It retails for $188, but I could get it for $90, which is pretty good for a Lilly Pulitzer dress. Let's see. And sometimes, with these rentals, you can tell they've been worn a lot, but with this one, I don't feel like that. I did have a Lilly Pulitzer once where I felt like the colors were pretty faded, but this one's still in really good condition for that price. So I'm tempted to keep this, hang on to this one. It's a really fun dress. Oh, I take that back. Did I say rayon and spandex? That's what it is, rayon and spandex. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is a really fun summer dress. I have always been curious about these waist cutout dresses, and I do like that you can still wear your bra with it. I do have a low plunge bra on though. And a little bit of it shows, but it is nude color, so I think it's okay. But this dress is just so much fun for the summer. I'll show you in the back and the sides. I wish I had pockets. The length is good for wearing sandals. I don't need to wear heels with it. And I think this is going to be perfect to wear out. Once a month, we go to a dance at the golf course. And so I think this will just be a great outfit for that because it's nice and cool. It's 100% cotton, so it shouldn't get too hot. And then you've got the cutout to help keep you cool as well. I will say, this is really difficult to get on and off. You kind of have to be a contortionist. So once you get it on, it's very comfortable. There's nothing, wrong with it once you get it on. I was thinking if there's anybody who is good at sewing out there, you should design where you can put the skirt on and then the top and then hook them. And I think that would be a solution to how difficult it is to get on and off the way it is. Let me tell you about this. It's Stephen Madden. It is the Amanda cap sleeve cutout waist, size medium. It's regularly 119. It will be 101 for me. I think I'll just enjoy wearing it as a rental, but I am glad I tried this because I have seen these waist cutout dresses and I've been curious about them. So definitely highly recommended. They're definitely fun. Okay, we have a jumpsuit and then that pink top left. I'll be right back. I am here now with one of my favorite jumpsuits ever. I don't usually care for jumpsuits on myself, especially because of my hips, but I think the wide legs really help. So I love it. You've got the wide legs and then it comes in at the waist with the tie and everything. Hi, baby. Oh, she likes the little chain there. Something to play with. Anyway, it's a little loose on the top. I do have my plunge bra on. Can we go over here and see the people? Come on. Come on. Look at your paw caught. So it's a little loose in the top, so I have it pinned and I still have my plunge bra on. The material is 100% polyester. I'm just going to give her my pocketbook here. It has pockets. The 100% polyester makes it feel really soft and satiny. I don't know if you've noticed that. I know there's people that are polyester haters, but not me. I think I love the material. Anyway, nice and airy for the summer. This is J. McLaughlin. It is a Hermione wide leg V-neck jumpsuit, size 8, and I think it fits great. Other than, like I said, it's a little loose on the top because I had to pin it. It would regularly retail for $248, and I could get it for $198. But as always, I think I'll just enjoy it like this. I went to a convention today, a case manager appreciation convention, which was a lot of fun, and I won some prizes. But anyway, I was thinking about wearing this, but I had to park and then walk downtown, so I didn't want to have to wear heels. And this is a 30-inch inseam, so that's the one thing, I do need some heels with this. So I ended up wearing the Lilly Pulitzer dress. I'm going out to dinner with girlfriends next week, and I think this will be perfect for that. Really enjoying this Armoire rental this time. So all we have left is the pink top, and I'll be right back with that. Now we're a little more casual, but I thought I'd carry the navy theme through with the pants, the handbag, the necklace, and the shoes because it goes well with this pink. This is a really pretty color pink. It's kind of like a dusty rose or almost salmon. And I love the flutter sleeves. So feminine. And in the back, it's actually see-through. So it's really pretty. And I like it out. I think it's really made to be worn out. You could tuck it. I would only do like maybe a half tuck. Maybe something like that. But I think for the most part, it's meant to be worn out because it really works well that way. So cute top. Let me tell you about this and then we'll wrap it up. This again is 100% polyester. It's BB Dakota, size medium, and it's smocked yoke flutter sleeve blouse. And it would normally retail for $69. I could get it for $48. Pretty top. That is the one benefit I wanted to mention about rentals is you can get them at discounted rates. Now, some of them, they've been worn a good bit and you could tell that. Others, sometimes you get them with tags. And then other times they've just been lightly used. So then you just have to weigh all that together to see if it's worth purchasing and how much you love it. But I have found several items through renting. So that's another advantage. Thanks for watching. I've had a great time hanging out with you. Thanks for coming by.